It's absolutely beautiful. And you know, it's a perfect match. It looks like the exact same chair. And this one's for me. I'm blown away. And the set was actually a gift to my great grandmother and grandfather for their wedding anniversary. What we don't know is, was it passed down to them as a gift, or was it, made for them at the time? But we do know that the set was used for years, and somewhere along the way, someone saw the granddaddy chair and said, I want that, and they took it. And as a result, we've just never had the full set until this moment in 2023. How many hundreds of years later? That's like almost 200. Almost 200 years. And now it's back home to get again. And it means so much to me also because it was a dream of my dad and my dad is very ill right now. And he may not have too much longer. But I've been taking pictures of the chair for him to say, Dad, we're getting it done. And great Grandma Black's wedding set, it has been reunited. And I didn't think it would look exactly like it should have looked, but take a look. You can't tell the difference between the original ones and the one that we had made just specifically to replace the one that was lost. And these are one of a kind, so it's not like I'm gonna find them somewhere, ever.